Welcome to the video. Today we're doing one of the most famous and easiest hikes to get to in Hong Kong, the Dragon's Back. And to get there you gotta go to MTR Shek O and then we're gonna take bus number 9 over there from exit A3. Let's get going. Today is actually the Chinese New Year, so there is a lot of people here lining up. I'm definitely not alone. So we're now getting off the bus here at To Tei Wan, Shek O Road. A lot of people getting off here. It's very popular since people have day off today. Chinese New Year. It's quite easy to get here in Hong Kong Island with the bus, so it's very popular. A lot of people. Definitely not alone, that's for sure. Some pretty crazy views here just when you start. Nice. We're gonna go up here, part of the Hong Kong Trail. Let's get going. Now we're getting up to one of the first viewing points here. Let's see. Yeah, quite impressive, that's for sure. Some pretty amazing views here. That's very nice. Quite different from downtown, that's for sure. That was a nice start. Now we're gonna continue that way and go over the mountain and down to the beach in the end. Yeah, some pretty crazy boats over there. It's not mine, unfortunately. Not yet. Generally, this hike is not as steep as some of the other ones. It's quite easy, but there are some small areas you have to be careful when you climb so you don't slip. Pretty crazy. Golf course here in the background. I guess it's a quite easy height. People are here, roughing the top. Since we reached the top, I guess it's time to go down. Now we have quite a few steps ahead of us. It's pretty cool when you see the city skyline in the background. Then you look away and there's the beach down there. We're gonna turn right here. This part of the hike is actually quite flat. It's only the beginning that's a bit steep. Then it's kind of like walking like this almost for like 45 minutes, 1 hour. Then you go down to the beach. That unfortunately is closed now. But anyway, just nice relaxed nature. It's pretty cool here with the nature. Feels pretty strange to be so close to the city. Very different feeling from just 1 hour away by bus, I can tell you that. I love when you can hear the sound of nature in the background. Makes you so relaxed. The guy is watching his face here with water. It's nice. Going past the small waterfalls. You can see the water down there in the background. So nice. Really love this tropical vibe here. The birds and the sounds in the background. So peaceful here. Now that is a view, that's for sure. You hear a little bit of the street noise. Otherwise quite calm. After a while you get to this kind of open area here on the paved road. Not so exciting, but still nice to get those steps in. So now we're basically done with Dragon's Back. You can go here to Big Wave Bay. Unfortunately it's closed, but I'm gonna head down that way. Before we go down you get this quite nice view here. You can see this in the background. Really beautiful. In the background here you can actually see the cemetery. Quite interesting. Now we got to this kind of resting spot here. We're gonna go down there to Big Wave Bay. There are actually 2 ways you can go. You can go down here to kind of a small village. That's a shorter way, or you can continue. So we're gonna take the longer path. Even have some nice flowers in nature here. But it's quite a lot of walking like this. Not super exciting, but soon going down there. Even have some butterflies here. Spreading its wings. So I guess you can continue here, but we're gonna go down towards the beach here. Take the right here towards Big Wave Bay. All of a sudden it's getting a lot brighter, so we're gonna get some pretty nice view. Get some crickets in the background. Get a small pavilion here for resting. We're gonna continue. We came from up there, and now we're coming back down. That's a crazy view in the background. So beautiful. Coming down now to the water. Really nice. Down here we see the beach. So sad it's closed. Hope it's gonna open soon. Rumors say maybe next week. Here we got a nice small resting pavilion with a lot of people taking a break from the hike. Oh, we're getting down to the beach. That is a nice view. The ocean and the beach. Down here we see the beach. So nice here. Now it would be really nice to run down there and take a swim, but unfortunately we can't. I guess I have to wait until it opens again. So I guess this concludes the hike. 2 hours, 18 minutes, but actually only 8.8 kilometers. We got the quite nice ending here with the beach. Definitely quite slow, a nice tempo, but still rewarding. There are actually good facilities, so normally you can take a shower here and get changed, but everything's closed now. Still some local restaurants here open, but I'm gonna save that tonight for Chinese New Year's dinner. It's only 2 p.m, but we already got in 2 hour hike. Actually, could have been much shorter than that, but took it slowly. Oh, they're doing the egg waffles here too, but I'm gonna save that for some other time. So yeah, it's time to go back. I'm gonna leave you with this nice view here. I'm gonna go to the bus now. It's cool, you can actually rent surfboards and stuff here if you want, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm not a surfer. So I'm gonna head back to the bus here. But if you enjoyed this video, if you want to see more stuff like this, subscribe, like, and see you in the next video.